Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, Tesla is once again, I was going to say back on the headlines. I don't think it necessarily ever left the headlines, but definitely back on all the main headlines as it's up above 900. So now you have people talking about, $1,000. Point being, a lot of people talking about it, a lot of people watching it. I watched just one today, and I didn't take any trades on it, but watched it very closely. And for this, I'm definitely going to be watching it going into Thursday. And there's a couple of key dynamics that really stand out to me. First is this level of support right here at 901. Let's just call it $900. And we're talking about a $900 stock at this point. And this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of the $900 mark and how the price has bounced twice right off that level. So that's an important level of support. And I make that comment because when a lot of people have taken notice of the same thing and are wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So there is going to be a whole lot of people watching that $900 mark, especially the shorts, wondering, hey, if that level can be broken, then there's definitely some opportunity for a potential short-sided trade as the next overarching level of support, not until down around 860. So that's about a 40-point move. Now, am I saying that if 900 is broken, then it's dropping down to 860 within a matter of an hour? I'm not saying that. My point is there is quite a bit of spaces between these areas of support, so you have a lot of people watching, especially shorts. But the shorts are also going to be, respecting the fact, if they know what they're doing, that, well, this thing is still in a very, very powerful uptrend. So they're going to be very aggressive in that profit taking if anybody does decide to break or get in on the break of the $900 mark. My point, though, is that a lot of people, that's one of those levels, they're going to be watching that area. And then on the flip side of things, as far as breakout players are concerned, main level of resistance right up here, give or take around the 940 mark. So 940 going to be the level where those people that want to go long, want to play the breakouts, they're going to be watching the 940-ish area. So again, one of those self-fulfilling prophecy type areas. So we'll see what happens with it, but those are definitely the two main levels I'll be watching going forward, 940 and then 900. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.